Welcome. In front of me is a Chuwi HiPad X, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings. From here, tap on storage, select your SD card, tap on the three dots, and then navigate to storage settings, where you will find format option. When you click on it, it will give you a message that formatting will remove everything from the card. So if you keep anything on that card that you would like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now, assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, then press Format SD card, and it looks like, it looks like that's it. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.